Hey guys, welcome back to Delph and today I will be showing you how to escape a line in this chord. So first things first guys is of course go ahead and go to discord.com. So if you are using a web browser, of course open the Discord in your browser, or if you have the downloaded Discord app, of course just simply go ahead and open the Discord application. Now once you are here on the Discord, you could just simply go ahead and go to any messages that you have. So for example, I am going to have this message over here. So now, for example, I am going for subscribe and I want to skip a line. So if I want to do that, as you can see, when I tap on enter, it will automatically send a message. But usually that's how to skip a line. But the key here is you could just simply go for a word, for example, first. And after that, just simply tap on your keyboard, shift and enter. And as you can see, it will not send the message, but it will skip a line. So I'm gonna go for like, for example, and I'm gonna tap on my keyboard again, shift plus enter. And I'm gonna go for another word, for example, share. I'm gonna tap on shift and enter. And I'm gonna go for another word, for example, thanks for watching. And after that, you can do as many as you can based on your preferences. As you can see over here, you could do that and skip a line. So pretty much this is how it will look. As you can see, it is one whole message that I have created over here. So this is how to skip a line by just simply providing on your keyboard shift plus enter. And I hope this video helped you understand more. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.